What's up? What's up? We're back again with another remake. Let me get a little volume on this one because this one's going to hit. And just welcome to all the new subscribers that have come to this channel, that have seen this video for the first time, and those who have came through. I really appreciate that. All y'all coming through. Y'all really showed out. 10,000 views and 240. Thank y'all so much for that support. I appreciate that. Stay tuned because we got some more in this series. We got, after this one, I think we got 7 more in this series. And I think it's going to be something you'd like to see because I'm going to be redoing some of the old ones. Make sure you visit my links in the description below. If you like any of this equipment, if you want to know more about it, I got links in the description below. Affiliate links in case you want to get yourself some gear. My official gear list is in the description, right? So let's go ahead and go right into it. All right, so let's talk about this record before we get into the recreation of it. This record, Can't You See, by Total, came out on March 27th of 1995. It was recorded in 94. It was on the label Tommy Boy Warner Records. There's a whole collection of songwriters here. Terry Robinson, Sean Combs, Rashad Smith, Herb Middleton, Christopher Wallace, Joseph Howell, Randall Ryan, Mark South, Terry Williams, James Brown. Producers Rashad Smith of the Hitmen, Sean P. Diddy Combs, Herb Middleton, and Chucky Thompson. You can't talk about this record without talking about James Brown. I mean, James Brown is in everything, and his musical legacy just influences so many things, as you will hear in it. So I can't remake anything with a James Brown sample in it without saying James Brown. Check out his exhibit. I don't know if it's still there. He's got a statue in Augusta, Georgia. I went over there. It was really cool. James Brown, right? So let's get to the remake. We're going to start off real easy with the drums. All right, so once again, this is a chill session right here. We're remaking it. We're taking our time. We're not going to rush through the process. And my apologies for not getting the article up on my website, DAW-T2K.com, where I'll talk about the instruments used in the production, right? So I'm going to make sure I include that in this one and in the last one. I'm going to make sure I keep up on that because people want to know what I use. So definitely want to put it out there on my article on DAW-T2K.com, right? So we're going to start with the drums. Slow motion, step by step, no rush. I like this groove. I think you're going to like it too. We're going to start off with the shakers. And in the shakers, we're at 16th notes, but I feel just a little bit of swing in it, right? Not a 65 level of swing, but at least like a 55, like a hint. It kind of does something. And then we're going to use 16 levels. All right, so we got that in there, and what we're going to do is going to add some keys. And what's interesting, I gotta take a point right here because normally in the song you would have a bass line kind of go. But the bass line stays on the 1 in the song or the first key. Right there, it stays there. So now we're going to add the chords right there like this. 2, 3, and... All right. We got the samples in there from James Brown. Now let's add the kick drum. All right. And we also got a turntable kick, scratch kick, right there. That gives you that 90s, late 90s. They used to put that. They don't really put that in songs anymore. Do they put that in songs anymore? Speaking of 1994, where were y'all at 1994? Woo! Right? All right, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and add a bass line to it. And this gives you a nice sub sweetener. So like, right? Real easy. Okay. And then also we going with this lead here. And that lead, you know. But we're not gonna put that in yet. So let's go ahead and add the sample. I mean, this is what makes it come together. I had to chop the sample. And let me just take a moment to acknowledge James Brown again. Gotta do it because it contains a sample. And you know, the big payback. Come on. All right, let's hear how it fits in the beat. Okay, we're locked in there. Now that lead. Right? Let's try that. I messed up there. We're gonna run it back. 1, 2, 3, 4. So we got that lead in there, we got that sample. Not a whole lot going on with the keys. The rest of the song is taken care of by the vocalist. So we're gonna double the pattern, take it from 4 bars to 8 bars. All right? Because there's those toms in there. Got the recorder on, overdub. And then in the other side, it goes a different pattern. So here's the loop without it. That's your vibes right there. It's a real effective groove, but fueled by that James Brown sample. Jamming, so if you like this type of content, let me know in the description below. What were you doing in 1994? I mean, we're taking it back, but we're gonna take it up. I mean, you never know what I'm gonna take it next. You just never know. Could be a video game, could be a pop record. You just gotta subscribe and see. And so I just want to thank y'all so much for watching this video, this remake video, the number 3 in this season of Beat Remakes. We got some more in store for you. It's taking some work, and if you're interested in any of this gear, like I'm using the MPC 61, if you're thinking about getting one yourself, you can help a brother out by going in the links in the description below. Use my affiliate link and go ahead and get yourself one of these units right here. And you know, let me know if you do or if you get anything. I got my official gear list there. All right, I'm out of here. I'm done talking. Thank y'all so much for coming through, and I hope to see you in the next remake video. And stay tuned for more remakes, reviews, and whatever else I can think of right here on the DAW of TTK YouTube channel.